Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today's lesson is days of the week, हफ्ते के दिनों के नाम. We used to call in English Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but in Urdu we are going to write today. The first one, Monday, is Peer. We will write Pe, Ye, and with the same we will join Re. Peer. Next is Tuesday. We will write Mangal. Meme, small form of meme. Then with the same we will join Noon and Gaf, and with the same Gaf we will make a Lam. Mangal. Peer, Mangal. Mangal is Tuesday. Next is Budh, Wednesday. Budh, Be, Dal. We will join Be and Dal together. And Do Chashmi Hai. This Hai is called Do Chashmi Hai, with the two eyes. Do Chashmi Hai, Budh. And on the Be we will put a Pesh. The next is Thursday, Jumerat. Jeem. This is a little bit difficult. Jeem. And with the same Jeem we will join Meme. This is called Jeem, Meme. And then Ain. After Ain we will join it Re. Jumir, Alif, Jumira, Te, Jumerat. Then is Friday, Jumma. Jeem, Meme, Ain, and Ye. Jumma. Jumerat, Jumma. Jumma is Friday. And then next is Saturday, Hafta. He, Fe, Te, Hafta. And the next one is Itwar, Alif, Te Vav To, It Vav Alif Re, Itwar. Right? Itwar. Monday is Peer. Tuesday is Mangal. Wednesday is Budh. Thursday is Jumerat. Friday is Jumma. Saturday is Hafta. And Sunday is Itwar. Peer, Mangal, Budh, Jumerat, Jumma, Hafta, Itwar. Jazakallahu khairan kaseer.